Hello viewers, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you this Targus AKB33US keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. Carry it around without wires and be able to type on it and access, say for example, your iPad or your Android TV stick. And what I really like about it is very lightweight, very thin. You can carry around, you can put it on your lap when you type, and we're gonna just show you how it works and basically give you a general feel for the quality of the product. So let me first remove the bag. So there we have the keyboard. Looks like your normal keyboard on your computer without the numeric keypad. Manual is included. Bluetooth keyboard for tablets, and it says it works with the iPad, compatible with Android, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. So we'll make sure we get 2 AAA batteries for this test. Has a very nice battery indicator. We won't read through this whole thing, but would be a good read if you have time. So let's look at the front of the keyboard. You have function keys at the top. You have a low battery indicator, and you have all the keys that you normally expect. Notice that the backspace is where it's a little bit above the delete key. The delete key is usually not next to the equal sign. So that may be one thing to notice if you're used to typing on PC keyboards. The backspace is usually over here, but that's probably a small issue there. And it has a number of things like function keys that allow you to hit special functions over here. Let's look in the back. In the back we have an on-off switch. So when you're not using it, you could turn it off. Connect button to sync this thing up with your Bluetooth. Slot for your batteries. A feet, 4 feet that is, for your table. And if we zoom in to the exact model number, AKB33US. So very lightweight, very thin. And we're going to try to use this with our Android TV stick. So let's power it up. Let's remove the battery cover and grab a few AAA batteries. You're probably going to prefer to use alkaline again. Gives you good battery life. And put the battery cover back on. Very simple. Rotate it around. Notice that we need to turn it on. So let's turn it on. We get a nice blue glowing light that turns off. We're going to need to sync this up with our Android TV sticks. So let's actually do that. Here we're ready to pair the device, the Targus keyboard, which we have in our hand, with the MK808B TV stick. First thing we do to pair it is make sure that it is turned on and it is in the on position. We hit the button on the back. Get a nice shot over there. It says connect. You can use your fingers. You don't need any kind of paper clip. And then you go click the device over here and you're given a number to type. You only have a few seconds to type. You type it blindly and it will show that the device is paired. Bluetooth keyboard connected. You need to make sure it shows connected or you won't be able to type with the keyboard. So paired device is going to show up over here. And now we're ready to test the keyboard out. So again, here's the keyboard fully connected on Bluetooth. It looks very nice. It's lightweight, thin, feels sturdy. I like the fact that it's really thin. You can really easily carry this thing around. Has a little angle that when you put this on the desk, that makes it easy to type. And this is not like any other keyboard. It's not like a remote keyboard, because this feels like a regular laptop keyboard. And that is really good, because if it feels like a laptop keyboard, you can type like the quick brown fox. Jumped over, whatever, right? The only thing that you might notice is the backspace is actually up here. So when you type and you need to go back, so if you made a mistake, you're used to hitting the delete key here, it's up here. Hit the backspace to go back. As you know, the delete key and backspace are not exactly the same. But other than that, it looks like a really good keyboard. So, keyboard feels like a normal laptop keyboard, different than, for example, the RC11 that we have. The difference between the keyboard is noticeable, because this is a keyboard that, while it works well for short typing sessions, it isn't meant to be for continuous typing. And the keys are smaller than your hands. So, but if you're a typist on the RC11, your fingers are bigger in most cases than the keys on the keyboard. Let me just zoom in to show you in more detail. Like, for example, the T is really small. You could type, like that for the, but if you compare this to this Targus keyboard, look at the fingers. The fingers actually can fit on the keys. So this makes touch typing much easier. You do not really have to look when you type. So that's a comparison of the Targus AKB33US with one of our cool Android remotes, RC11. A really nice remote. It's great because of its gyroscopic motion, and if you're doing occasional typing, this is perfect. However, if you're gonna do lots of typing, whether for emails or other kind of content, then you probably prefer a more full-size keyboard like the Targus keyboard. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.